Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So I did order some succulents from Succulent Love on Instagram, and she has an Etsy shop. It is wrapped very well, taped on all sides. So yeah, I'm gonna do that unboxing right now. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, let's go ahead and pull things out here. Happy mail. Thank you so much for your order and supporting my small business. I hope you love your new botanical goodies. There's all this, her information. Here's her card. Her name is Jessica. And Succulent Care. Very cute. Alrighty. Everything looks well wrapped. Let's start with these small ones here. I haven't done an unboxing in so long. This is pretty cool. Ooh, she added some leaf babies. So cute. This was extra. I didn't order this. It says succulent leaves. With all the craziness going on in the world right now, we wanted to send an extra gift of happy. Succulent leaves can be propagated into new succulents over time and make an excellent new hobby. Happy plant crafting. So cute. Sorry about the noise. So just one of them got a little bit sad. The rest of them look pretty good. This one probably won't propagate, but it's okay. The rest of them will. Very sweet. They're wrapped nicely. Cute gift. Green elephant bush. So pretty. Ooh, these are nice and green with the red tips. These are probably in full sun. So pretty. Thank you. I like the ones I ordered. So they're wrapped in bubble wrap. So cute. So I wanted more of these, so I ordered. They were not very expensive. So cute. They were like in a 2-inch pot. So cute. This is Crassula. I believe it's baby necklace, something like that. I'll put the name. I'll look for it. Very good. Now for this one. This is the one I've been wanting for a while now. Move this up. Too much noises out here. Sorry about that. I know the suspense, right? You'll see. What do you think it is? Just kidding, I'll open it. I won't make you wait any longer. I don't want to wait any longer. Okay. Very nicely wrapped. And as you can tell, string of coins. I've been wanting this for a long time, and I am so happy that she had it. She restocked, and I jumped on it right when I saw them. Thank you so much, Jessica. Thank you for packing them so carefully and for all the extra goodies you sent. I'm so excited to have these in my collection. All right, my friends, let me go ahead and show you everything I got here. Take out these ones. And there we have it. My order from Jessica from Succulent Love. Thank you so much. I am looking forward to potting these babies up. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.